In alphabet learning activities, next letter is alphabet G. So in this video, I am gonna cover some of the activities that I have did with my toddler girl, teaching her letter G. So let's get started. The first activity is a Play-Doh activity. In Play-Doh activity, first I made grapes out of the Play-Doh and then letter G out of the Play-Doh rope. Then I gave some glitter dots to my daughter so that she can put and decorate letter G as well as the grapes. Many times I like to make alphabets with Play-Doh and let my kids spend some time exploring and playing around it, because along with great learning benefits, Play-Doh brings many other benefits, such as Play-Doh activities are very useful and simple ways to develop kids' dexterity, their manipulative power, which can be used for performing various daily and routine activities. For the next activity, we decorated letter G with a green grass, and for this activity we went outside and we collected first some grass from outside. What is this? Then I let my daughter simply glue that green grass on the letter G. Adding some variations to the same activity, for the next activity we played hide and seek game with alphabet G. For doing this activity, I randomly placed letter G along with some other alphabets on a sheet and covered those letters with green grass and asked my daughter to seek letter G. It was a super engaging and fun activity. This activity gave me plenty of opportunity to have fun and as well as teach letter G to my daughter. What is that? The grass. Put it here. These types of activities are excellent for developing kids' memory, cognitive power as well as their problem solving skills. While collecting grass from outside, I saw a garbage truck and I thought it will be very good idea if I can arrange any kind of pretend play activity using a toy garbage truck. So for the next activity, we pretended as a garbage collector. I labeled my garbage truck and I also put letter G on a simple cup as a trash can. I labeled this toy so that she can see the letter G again and again. There is a plethora of research out there explaining the values of imaginative play as a vital component for a normal child development. Next activity is a coloring activity, and for this activity I draw letter G on a plain white paper. To make this activity little bit fun and attractive for my kids, I draw lines on letter G. Simply gave markers to the kids so that they can color it however they want. I observe with the toddler that it is not possible for them to remain inside the line or within the assigned space, but it is okay to let them color however they want. Here our focus should be on the process rather than on the end product, and also our focus should be like keeping letter G in front of our kids repetitively so that they can learn and they can visualize the letter over and over again. Last activity is reading books, and for this activity I have selected Goodnight Gorilla and letter G book. Where is G? Kanji dako. G. Where is G? Glasses. In both of these books, I got plenty of opportunities to show and sound out letter G to my daughter. Good job. While reading letter G book, I gave my daughter magnetic letter G so that she can point out and match letter G whenever she finds out letter G while reading. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Also leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time with the next video.